Yes, people, we are here with an exclusive unboxing of the Yeezy 500 Soft Vision. Arguably the most feminine Yeezy to release today. This shoe is an absolute banger. But before we get into the box, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button down below because it really does help out the channel. So as you can see, we have the traditional Yeezy box. So that only means one thing. I'm gonna have a little moan because they still haven't fixed this and I don't quite know why. That noise is disgusting. Sounds like a giant farting. Anyway, as we get into the shoe, you can see straight away, purple tones coming all the way across the upper, partial part to the midsole, and then that sole unit with a nice gum hit. The purple tones for me are a bit too feminine. I wouldn't be able to rock them, but it's a banging shoe. We have all of our normal premium materials with that long haired suede coming on the overlays, and then this is countered by the breathable mesh on the underlays, and then these premium hits of leather found on the tongue, and then partial parts of the side panel. If you're thinking about picking up a pair, these do run half a size small in my opinion. I have about 3 pairs, and I'm not gonna lie, my second toe always just like smacks against the edge. It's a bit peaked still. I'm gonna stop smacking the end of this shoe because you're gonna think I'm a bit weird. So if you're thinking about picking a pair of these up, they will be releasing on Saturday, the 2nd of November from about 7 AM. That's when Adidas's splash page normally goes live. And they'll be releasing it at stockists such as Osprey, Adidas, as well as Foot Locker. First time Foot Locker have got these. And if you're thinking about copping a pair, I will leave a link down in the description as per usual. These will retail at about £170 and they're already on the resale market for a little bit above retail. There's a little bit of resale to them. It's a pair of Yeezys. The hype's died a little bit, but these are set to be one of the more limited numbers. So if you do hold on to them for a little while, you could be making a pretty penny. But as per usual, put these on your feet, go out, wear them, batter them, enjoy them. Just wear your goddamn kicks. Don't worry about the resale anymore. It is one for the ladies in my opinion, but I'm not gonna lie, I can see all them wavy donnies out there. A nice pair of like cream chinos, a loud sock, and then this being the pied de resistance. Shout out the French people watching. Hope you can understand my English. I've been Chris from The Soul Supplier. This has been the Yeezy 500 Soft Vision, and I will see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing. But before you go, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button because you're an absolute legend, and I can't say subscribe properly. See ya.